Estudyante ka and first time mong tutugtog on stage in front of your schoolmates, meron akong 3 tips para sa'yo. Una, this is not gonna sound good, pero hear me out, kakabahan ka. And it's okay to feel that. Over 25 years na ako nagdi-DJ and hanggang ngayon, kinakabahan pa rin ako minsan kapag nagdi-DJ ako. So it's totally normal. In fact, kung kinakabahan ka, it's actually a good thing because it means that you actually care. The trick is to accept na mangyayari nga na kakabahan ka and that you have to prepare for it. And what do I mean by preparing? It means practicing your DJ set, making sure your songs are already prepped and in order in a playlist, and ni-rehearse mo yung mga mixes mo and your transitions because again, this is the first time that you're playing out, di ba? And don't worry if you're rehearsing your set, nag-practice ka at home, kasi later on in your DJ career, pag medyo mas may experience ka na, you'll be able to do a lot of your DJing on the fly as in nag-i-improvise ka and you're reading the crowd. Pero for now, medyo bago-bago ka pa, and it's your first time to play, it doesn't hurt to rehearse your DJ set well ahead of time. Now, my second tip is more of a technical one. If nagkamali ka sa transition mo, sabihin natin mali yung BPM or naka-clash yung mga kick drum or something like that, ilipat mo kagad yung crossfader. Basta lipat ka to the next song that you were transitioning to. Huwag mo nang ibabad yung mix. If it sounds bad, ilipat mo siya kagad. Now, my third and last tip, and I think this is the most important one, you have to understand that mistakes usually happen in a DJ set. There is no perfect DJ set, even rehearsed or pre-planned or pre-recorded DJ sets never go 100% according to plan. Nakakaroon pa rin ng konting errors or konting changes to plan. Kasi tao lang tayo and it is a live performance. After all, there are bound to be some technical hiccups or issues that happen during the performance. Don't let that discourage you. Don't feel bad if something happens during your DJ set. Normal lang yan. It's part of life. So don't get scared about that. So yun, hope these 3 tips help and good luck sa performance mo. Let me know how it goes.